Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up mobile data limit on the NOKIA XR21. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings and also make sure that you have the SIM inserted into your phone, otherwise it won't work. Now we can move to network and internet, select your SIM card settings and pick whichever SIM card you have inserted and you want to limit the data for. Now go down and find data warning and limit. Here we can change the mobile data usage cycle, so that means it will reset each day of the month. So let's pick the fourth one. Now we can activate the data warning. You can enable or disable it and change when it should start sending it. So then there's the most important setting, I would guess, which is set data limit. And here you can change a limit and you can also switch between megabytes and gigabytes. One thing to note here is that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So in this case, we're going to go for 1000.5 megabytes, which is 1.5 gigabyte. It should be set like that. Now the data warning, we can switch as I mentioned, the limit when it starts sending this warning. So for example, if I use 1200, I want to receive that data warning messages. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.